In this video, we will show you how to replace your front emblem on this Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to the front of your grille. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the emblem from the grille, we're going to have to apply a little bit of heat coming across this area because there's an adhesive pad that makes its way all the way across, holding this in place to the grille itself. We'll just gently use a heat gun here. We don't want to melt anything. We just want to heat it up just enough that we can use a plastic trim tool and gently pry it out of place. There it is, friend. Now that we have the emblem off of the grille, it's important to make sure you clean up the mounting area. So when we put the adhesive up against this, it'll stick as it should. Along the back side of your emblem, you'll find that you have this. We'll just gently pull that out of place. Be careful not to touch the adhesive. That is what will stick this to the grille. Now we can get ready to install the emblem. Looking along the back side here, you can tell you have two locating tabs. On one of those locating tabs, it has a small area that protrudes out a little bit. Looking at the grille itself, you can tell you have a hole with a small area that also protrudes out. We want to make sure we have that properly aligned, and we'll stick this in place. There we are. Before I press it in too far, I'm just going to make sure everything's aligned properly. Now we'll press this on. It's a good idea to apply light pressure here. We don't want to break our grille, but we do want to make sure all of the adhesive is touching up against the grille to hold this in place. Okay friend, we fully installed our Chevy emblem on the front of the vehicle. As you can tell, it looks amazing. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.